the 20 plus years that I have been working in renewable energy, in the 68 that my partner...
We used to run around charm, and that's how we got strong and healthy. And then they said, "Hey, we want you over here," so we came.
Did you go to Australia first?
Yeah, it's a stepping stone. Is Australia? It's like going out of New Zealand is a big quest, you know. And Australia is the first place, and then the States is the ultimate place for any entertainer to come to.
These guys